Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you, and welcome to Al-Azhar Institute Arabic channel. In this beginner introductory lesson, we will learn some very basic common phrases or sentences in Arabic. Everything on this channel will be in classical or formal Arabic, sometimes called Modern Standard Arabic, MSA, or Fusha. If you use these phrases, you will be understood anywhere in the Arab world. Also, I want you to just practice and immerse yourself in the Arabic learning experience. Don't worry about taking notes. We will make a free PDF available with all the vocabulary and phrases available for you. There will be a free link at the end. But remember, listening and speaking are very important skills to learning any language. So whether you're a complete beginner or just want to refresh some basic Arabic, let's get started. Hello or hi. The word for hello or hi in Arabic is marhaban. How are you?
كيف حالك كيف حالك
Now, there are two genders in Arabic. For males, the ending is ka, and for females, it is ki. So if you want to be very accurate, you can say, for males, you can say كيف حالك كيف حالك. And for females, if you want to say how are you, you can say كيف حالك كيف حالك. But simply saying
كيف حالك
and stopping on the ka sound is fine and perfectly acceptable. So to keep it simple, you can say
كيف حالك
to either male or female. How are you?
كيف حالك
Now let's join those two together. Hello, how are you? Marhaban,
كيف حالك
marhaban.
كيف حالك
I am fine. أنا بخير. أنا بخير. I am fine. أنا بخير. And you to a male. وأنت. وأنت. And you to a female. وأنتِ. وأنتِ. الحمد لله. All praise to God. I am very good. الحمد لله أنا جيد جدا. الحمد لله أنا جيد جدا. الحمد لله is a very common phrase in Arabic. Literally, it means all praise to Allah or God, and it is used across the Arab world by people from all religions. Alhamdulillah, ana jayyid jiddan. So now let's put all those together. Hello, how are you? Marhaban,
كيف حالك
marhaban.
كيف حالك
All praise to God, I am good. Alhamdulillah, ana bi khair. Alhamdulillah, ana bi khair. And you to a male, wa anta, and you to a female, wa anti. What is your name? Masmuk, masmuk. Remember, you can say masmuk to both male and female. Masmuk. My name is Khalid. Ismi Khalid. Ismi Khalid. My name is Sarah. Ismi Sarah. Ismi Sarah. And what is your name? And wa masmuk. And what is your name? Wa masmuk. The word for and in Arabic is wa. A very useful word to know in any language, of course, and the same applies in Arabic. Interesting fact, the word wa appears over 9,000 times in the Quran and makes up 5% of all words in the Quran. So now, just by learning this one simple word, wa, and, you know at least 5% of the Quran. So anyway, to say, and what is your name? You say, wa masmuk, wa masmuk. My name is Muhammad. Ismi Muhammad. Ismi Muhammad. The most popular name in the entire world, Muhammad. Ismi Muhammad. Now remember, we learned to say, how are you, which is kayfa haluk, and the common reply we mentioned was ana bi khair, I am good. Now that we know how to say I am good, let's learn some different replies to the question, how are you? We will keep these nice and simple as this is just beginner level. I am tired. Ana ta'ban. Ana ta'ban. I is ana, tired is ta'ban. Ta'ban. Ana تعبان. I am hungry. أنا جائع. أنا جائع. I am thirsty. أنا عطشان. أنا عطشان. Where do you live? أين تعيش? أين تعيش? I live in Britain. أنا أعيش في بريطانيا. أنا أعيش في بريطانيا. Which city are you from? من أي مدينة أنت؟ من أي مدينة أنت؟ I live in London. أنا أعيش في لندن. أنا أعيش في لندن. Where do you study? To a male. أين تدرس? أين تدرس? Where do you study? To a female. أين تدرسين? أين تدرسين? I study at the university. أنا أدرس في الجامعة. أنا أدرس في الجامعة. في means in, جامعة means university. أنا أدرس في الجامعة. What do you study? To a male. ماذا تدرس؟ ماذا تدرس؟ What do you study? To a female. ماذا تدرسين؟ ماذا تدرسين؟ I study Arabic. أنا أدرس لغة العربية. أنا أدرس لغة العربية. Where do you work? To a male. أين تعمل؟ أين تعمل? Where do you work? To a female. أين تعملين؟ أين تعملين? I work in the company. أنا أعمل في الشركة. أنا أعمل في الشركة. Are you finding this video helpful? Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the notifications button so you can benefit from more videos in learning Arabic. I work in the airport. أنا أعمل في المطار. أنا أعمل في المطار. I work in the school. أنا أعمل في المدرسة. أنا أعمل في المدرسة. Do you speak Arabic? هل تتكلم العربية؟ هل تتكلم العربية? Yes, a little. نعم, قليلا. نعم, قليلا. I am a beginner in Arabic. أنا مبتدئ في اللغة العربية. أنا مبتدئ في اللغة العربية. Are you married? هل أنت متزوج؟ هل أنت متزوج؟ No, I am single. لا, أنا عازب. لا, أنا عازب. Yes, I am married. نعم, أنا متزوج. نعم, أنا متزوج. How is the weather today? كيف حال الطقس اليوم؟ كيف حال الطقس اليوم؟ The weather is very cold today. الطقس بارد جدا اليوم. الطقس بارد جدا اليوم. What is the plan? ما هي الخطة؟ ما هي الخطة؟ I will go home. سأذهب إلى البيت. سأذهب إلى البيت. Goodbye. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. If you found this lesson helpful, please remember to like, subscribe and hit the notifications button so you can benefit from more videos in learning Arabic. Until next time, مع السلامة.